Good morning, folks, and welcome to the pre-market insight for February 5th, 2020. Would you believe it? We're back at all-time highs. Let's go. So we're looking at a chart at the S&P 500, and boy, are we living in an incredible time of price action. We began speaking about the past 2 weeks now about the fact that we were living inside what is now a number of broadening formations. A broadening formation, i.e., we are making higher highs and lower lows on the intermediate time frame. And we spoke about the fact that this is particularly interesting price action because in a trending market that is consistently hitting all-time highs, you would expect there to be making higher lows in order to confirm the trend. However, we've been having some what I would call sloppy price action, i.e., there being range expansion and price discovery in both directions fairly quickly. So as you can see, just evidenced by the price action of this week, we had a nasty gap down that led into a bit of a rally. After the Fed, we sold off. Again, powerful bar back to the upside that was then sold off, broke the low, came down to make again a new low within this intermediate price range. And then essentially since Tuesday, all we've done is trend to the upside, helped by some good earnings reports by some leading momentum names like Tesla. But this is just absolutely incredible. And I will take a slight pause and a note here for many, myself included, who have not necessarily been able to take advantage of this because of the magnitude of the price swings, and it may not be necessarily be your comfort zone in terms of how you trade in particular. Uh, what you need to do at this time is to simply sit on your hands, observe what the market is doing. It will give a tell and will eventually set up for an asymmetric risk opportunity. And what do I mean by asymmetric risk opportunity? Well, at the highs, we will retest the highs or we will retest the lows. And at that point, you can evaluate how price response reacts to the extremes of its range and then put something on consistent with your account size, your risk tolerance, and your investment objective. All right. So what are we looking at today? Thus far, we gapped up about 30 points, 33.28. We're again within touching distance of all-time highs at 33.37. We are within touching distance of all-time highs at 33.37. And so I would expect, at the very least, for a first price target for today, a tag of that 33.37 and possibly the round number hit of 33.40 to the downside. This can easily be taken away in an instant given the sort of price action again that we've been having. Large rate expansion to the upside, just as heavy range expansion and price discovery to the downside as well. So keep it simple, smarty. On the downside, we have targets of just approximately 32.50, the round number 3300, which we convincingly broke through and now are building out what seems to be a bit of a bull flag. Keep it simple, smart. Be safe out there today, guys. Cheers.